Good afternoon, class. Buenas tardes. We're back here. I want to talk to you about telling time, la hora. In this lesson, we're going to be talking specifically about expressing the hours. We're also going to include in the morning, afternoon, and nighttime. So let's take a quick look at the clock and the question. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? Now, I'm going to go ahead and give you the answer on this. I'm going to put down son las tres. It's 3 o'clock. Now notice something. Las tres. 3 is plural, therefore you use las. And you also use son. Son las tres. However, let's change the time just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and make this 3:05. So I'll take the big hand. I'll put the big hand on the 5, more or less. And I'm going to say son las tres y cinco. So it is 3 and 5. Tres y cinco. Now I'm going to change the time again. Let me find my eraser. And I'm going to say it's 1 o'clock. And I want you to take a look and see if you can figure out why it's slightly different. So we have the big hand right there. And we have the little hand right there. So, ¿qué hora es? Es la una. Es la una. Now, why would we say son las tres, but es la una? I will tell you. Because 3 is plural, son is plural. Una is singular. 1 is singular. And don't forget, we always put this in the feminine. Una. Es la una. Now, let's change this one more time. Let's go ahead and say that it is 1:10. Es la una. Es la una y 10. Es la una y 10. So when we're on the right side of the clock, I'm going to put a line right down the middle. We say es la una y 10. Now I'm going to change something. We're going to go to the other side of the clock, where the big hand's on the opposite side. So watch this. And let's go ahead and say, so 55, it's 1:55, right? Well, we're going to say, well, we got to change this too, because this should be getting closer to the 2. But it's almost 2 o'clock, but not quite. So what we're going to say is, es la una menos, oh, excuse me, I'm wrong. Son las dos. We go up to the next hour. Son las dos menos 5. So it's 2 minus 5. We do something similar in English. We say it is 5 to 2, which is the same as 1:55. Now, let's talk about the quarter hours. With the quarter hour, we use cuarto. So if it's going to be 1:45, we're going to see son las dos menos cuarto. Let me change this over here for us. Son las dos menos cuarto. Over here would be y cuarto. But now let's talk about the half hour. When we're on the half hour, we're going to use y, not menos. So if we were, let's say, let's pretend it's 2 o'clock, 2:30, okay? 2:30. Son las dos y media. Son las dos y media. Now, you will hear people use son las dos y treinta, or you might even hear them say son las dos y 45 for 2:45. But the best way to say it is going to be using menos and y. So using the menos. Son las dos menos cuarto. So it's 1:45. Thank you.